Finding the Sharp app. The Sharp app is designed for use on iPhones and Android mobile phones, like Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel devices. Let's look at two simple ways to find and install the app. The first method is to search for Sharp Healthcare in the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store directly on your mobile phone. In the search results, look for the app icon that shows Sharp in white text on a dark blue background. On an iPhone, select Get to begin your installation process. Similarly, on an Android device, search for Sharp Healthcare and then select the correct app. Select Install. If you are having difficulty searching for the app, then try this second approach. Go to sharp.com/app in your web browser. Scroll down the page until you see buttons for Apple Store and Google Play Store. Select the appropriate option and you'll be directed straight to the app in the respective app store. Once again, simply select Get or Install to begin downloading the app.